2020 Toyota Tundra. With less than 79,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.